I slept here last night.
This is home for Mohinder Kunkun these days. The 68-year-old wound up on the streets after a stay in the hospital left him behind on rent. He was evicted, now left with his pension and little else.
I can easily get a place for $1,100-$1,200 somewhere. What am I supposed to live on, $400 a month?
He says many seniors are struggling to make ends meet on a fixed income, outpaced by the cost of living.
The price out of everything, even renting an apartment. Every time we go to the store, every month, every 2 months, the price of something going up 10 cents.
So about a third of our shelter users are what we would consider elderly.
Since the pandemic, staff at the Union Gospel Mission on Vancouver's downtown east side have noticed a steady increase in seniors staying at the shelter. And as they age, they say their needs become more complex.
What we have in here is we've got the accessibility shower, we have a slightly lower sink.
In November, for the first time ever, home care aides started coming to the shelter to help seniors with basic tasks like taking a shower.
And when more and more people have more and more accommodations that are required, it actually becomes more difficult to be able to serve people because we're not actually a senior care facility. We're meant to be an emergency stopgap.
Seniors' homelessness is bad now, and it's about to get much worse.
National Seniors Advocacy Group CanAge says homelessness is on the rise right across Canada. Federal data shows the number of seniors relying on shelters rose by roughly 47% from 2021 to 2024.
This is actually also older people who own their own houses or who have had stable rentals who now are finding that they can't keep up with the costs, or they have additional health needs and where they're living doesn't suit, but they can't find appropriate accommodation either.
She says the federal government needs to prioritize a more robust housing policy for the aging population. In the meantime, shelters like this will continue serving more seniors despite being stretched nearly beyond their ability. Tanya Fletcher, CBC News, Vancouver.
You very much have a piece about you.
There's a peace, there's a freedom. I'm telling you, if you don't share these...